a great choice today with the 2019 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great, comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, lane departure warning, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, front-wheel drive, security system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.